the welding endorsement, we learn how to weld. It's where you take two pieces of metal and taking them into one piece. In welding, there's different types like stick welding, MIG welding.
We also use other equipment like plasma cutters, which are hand cutters, and we use an actual torch that usually just cuts the metal.
You can get into welding in buildings, cars, anything that basically deals with metal.
Long term on welding, you do structural engineering. Body shops take welders a lot. You could freelance. Other stuff you could do is actually art, like what we're building now. You could build large statues or just really what floats your boat.
What type of skills do you need for the welding endorsement? You need creative mind with a steady hand.
Most of the skills in welding are learned through the class. You definitely need to stay on top of your projects and what you're actually working on. At the end of your first year, you can get a welding certification. That could go on your resume, so out of high school, if you want to work on welding and they see that you have your certification, usually have a leg up on the competition. And this year we had a field trip to multiple engineering facilities around Wylie that are actually happy to hire us right out of high school. Before I joined welding, I wish I knew where it would take me. Even if you have a little bit of an interest, I suggest hopping into it real fast. The class is usually really fun. You make a lot of friends. Whenever I joined, I didn't really know a whole lot about it, and I just joined it on a whim, and I'm having a great time.
If this looks awesome, I would definitely recommend. If you like hands-on work, this is your place to be.